Hello and namaste everyone, myself Nilesh Jha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see the detailing of columns. But before that, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel. And let's start now. As we have seen the detailing of beam, now we will save this file. Go to file and save it. Ongoing project.drg. You will always get the extension .drg in CSi Detail. For more ETABs videos, you will find all the tutorial videos of ETABs both in English and Nepali languages on my channel. So now let's start our detailing of column. Go to file and new detailing. New detailing, we will open EDB file. Now we'll select the ongoing project that we have analyzed earlier. Open. And how did I open this file? You can check in the previous video in the detailing of beams that I have analyzed and designed the building in ETABs and then opened in CSi Detail. That will extract the data from ETABs only. Here you can see the data extraction is in progress here. Okay, so we will not get the PR spectral and design strip result as we have not designed for that. Okay, so detailing units you can set from here. We will set this force into kilonewton and rebar set we will use SI 25. Okay, and rebar weight we will use the ton. Meter, everything is okay. Yeah, set. And in the concrete detailing I have told each and everything about this. In the rebar rules I will go to columns. I will select the seismic and the smallest bar size I will choose here 12, and the largest bar size let it be 32 only, 32, and in some cases we have 38 also, but mostly 32 will be the maximum. And the preferred bar size, I have preferred the bar size of 20. Now zone A, zone B, zone C, the smallest bar size 10 and the largest bar size 20. Okay, and more options. Splice bars at every after 2 story, and the percentage bars spliced 50%, and here the splice location is column mid height. Normally it is given after every story, but at the column mid height there is a minimum bending moment, so it is provided at column mid height in practical. And the confined zone length, factor of column height, confined zone length, I will show you all in the figure there. This is the 0.17 of column height, and this is 1 times the factor of section size, zone length according to different factors. Hoop and ties at 90 degree and 135 degree hoop, and the splice length should be 40 times the bar diameter. Okay, and now okay, and we will start our detailing now. Here, okay, so here in detailing you can see we have the column details here. We will go to concrete column. First we will see the framing plans. So concrete column layout base, here you will see the base. So concrete column layout CC1, 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 CC2, CC1, you can see the name of the columns provided here, and based on this name we will see the detailing in the table. So you can find the detail from there. You can see the name here. And now if you will see the schedule and tables, concrete column schedule, you can see here story 5, story 4, story 3, story 2, story 1. You can see the 400 mm by 400 mm, everything is given here. And if you see the bill of materials, you can see the bill of materials here, rebar quantities you can find here, and elevations and section. CC1, you can see the elevation here, bill of materials, quantities, rebar cage means that 3D view. You can rotate from here, just click and move your mouse. Here this is the splice length, as you can see here. Here in column you can see the detail 12 bar of 20 mm has been provided here. If you see the section views or section view of column, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 10 and to 12 bars. Here you can see all the details of your columns. In this way you can find all the details of your columns also. And now in the next video we will see the detailing of slab. So stay tuned and yes, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching till the last. Now I would like to take a leave, and we'll see you in the next video with the detailing of slab tutorial. Thank you.